How to manage CMS items in Webflow. In this tutorial, you will learn how to insert CMS items, how to edit CMS items, how to delete CMS items. Apart from this, you will also learn how to use different layouts on archive pages. Let's get started. At first, I will show how to insert CMS items. This is one of our Webflow templates. Here, you will find all CMS collections. I am opening a CMS item here, which is blogs. Many items have already been added here, and I want to add a new item here. For that I have to click on New Blog. Now I have to add some basic information here. First, I need to enter a name. Let's say Interior TNC is the name. Slug is created automatically after giving a name. Then I need to attach an image, which is the main image. Next, I need to write a post summary. Let's say, Interior TNC Webflow template. Next I need to write the main blog content inside the post body. For example, here I write, "Hello. Welcome to TNCFlow LLC. This is for learning." Next I need to select an author. Here, I can select an author from the existing list or I can add new author from here. Just click on the plus icon and you will get the option to create a new author. Just enter a name and photo and click the Create button to add a new author. Next, I have to select a category. I can select a category from existing list or I can add new from here. To add a new category here, just enter a name and click the Create button. Next, I need to select tags. As before, I can select a tag from the existing list or I can create a new tag from here. After completing all this, here I click on Create button and our newly created CMS items are added to the list. You can check here. Now let's see how this item is displayed on our website. Here you can check how perfectly our new blog item is placed on our website. Images, author, tags, categories all look perfect. So this way you can add new CMS items to Webflow. Now let's see how to edit CMS items. First, let me show you which item I'm going to edit. I would like to edit this CMS item, which is Holiday Decorating Tips. Before editing, let's look at this item carefully. Now I go back to my CMS collection list and select this item. First, I want to change the name, so here I write Holiday TNC. Then I want to change the main image. For that, just click on the Replace Image option and select one of my images. Then I want to change the post summary. Let's say, this is for learning. I also want to change the title of the paragraph. Here I write, "Hello, this is TNCFlow LLC." You can literally change this item to anything you want. You can change the image layout. Then I can change the author, or I can add a new author here. Then here I change category or I can add new category here. Then I can change the tags if I want. Let's create a new tag. Click on the plus icon to create, and it will give the option to create a new tag. I create a new tag here and that is example. After finishing all this, here I click the Save button and replaced our existing CMS items with the new information I added. You can check here. Now let's see how this item is displayed on our website. Here you can see our recently edited CMS items perfectly placed on our website. Image, content, tags, category, author are all perfectly positioned and displayed beautifully. So this is how you can edit an existing CMS item in Webflow. Now, let's see how to delete CMS items. Deleting a CMS item is pretty easy. You can delete in two ways. First, just click the Select button. Then check the item you want to delete. After that you will get an option to delete the item. Click on Delete Permanently and the item will be deleted. And the second option is much easier. Enter the item you want to delete. Scroll down to the end of the item and there you will find the option to delete the item. Just click Delete and the item will be permanently deleted. Now, let's see how to use different layouts on archive pages. Now I will show how to add a section to an existing page. Have a look. Here I am opening one of my pages and that is the Portfolio Categories template. I want to add a section to this page. For this, Here I opened another page, which is a unique portfolio. This is an archive page and grid layout. I want to copy and paste this section into my portfolio categories template page. For this, I need to copy the mask from here, and go back to the portfolio categories template page. Now I need to click on the body and paste it here. After pasting our new mask, we need to place it between the banner and the footer. And the existing mask should be deleted from here. Now our new section is fully added here. After doing all this, now we need to add filter. For this, I have to click on the filter. After that, I need to select the name that is already mentioned as category. And this is equal to the current portfolio category. Now I need to save it. Check out our newly added section, which is perfectly placed here. You can also set your display limits here as well as paginate items. So this way you can easily use different layouts on archive pages. So, if you are looking for the best Webflow templates, check out templates.themencode.com.